Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your W-9 with Upwork for payments step by step clearly. To verify your W-9 with Upwork for payments, first, log in to your Upwork account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Tax Information section on the left sidebar. Click on Tax Information to access your W-9 settings. If you haven't submitted a W-9 form yet, you will see an option to create W-9. Click on that option to start filling out your W-9 form. Fill in your name as it appears on your tax return. Next, provide your business name if applicable. Select the appropriate tax classification that applies to you. Enter your address, including street, city, state, and zip code. Now, input your social security number or employer identification number. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, sign and date the form electronically. After completing the W-9 form, submit it by clicking the Submit button. You will then see a confirmation message indicating that your W-9 has been successfully submitted. If there are any issues, Upwork will notify you, and you may need to correct the information. Allow some time for Upwork to process your W-9 for payments. You will receive notifications regarding the status of your verification. Ensure your payment method is set up and linked to your Upwork account for seamless transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.